Wow, this year went by so fast. I cannot believe how fast this year went by. It seemed like the year just started. It seemed like January 2024 was just yesterday. And now 2025 is 3 days away. It's practically here. And I truly do believe that it's going to be an amazing year. That's only if you have a positive mindset and you inquire positive habits into your daily routine and you cut off things that are not serving you for your highest good. Remove anything that is toxic and that is holding you back and bring you down. You want things that uplift you and make you feel good, not things that are going to limit you and make you feel down about yourself. Whether that's a person, place, or thing, if it's not serving you for your highest good and if it's not making you feel good, remove it from your life. I know sometimes this can be easier said than done because depending on your situation due to finances or whatever, that's mostly the blockage is finances. You're stuck in a certain situation or around a certain person, and you cannot get out of it or away from them because of your financial situation. But trust and believe that you should call on God. You should call on the universe. He might not be there when you want him to be there, but he's always there on time to help you in your time of need. So yes, if you want 2025 to be like a year like no other, you got to be willing to do things that you've never done before. You got to be willing to get out of your comfort zone. Be comfortable being uncomfortable, because you staying in your comfort zone, you will never grow, you will never evolve, and you will never experience new things that this life has to offer. Because let me tell you, there are so many amazing things that the universe wants to bless you with. But how can it bless you with these new opportunities if you don't take a leap of faith and step right into them? You have to have confidence in yourself and you have to know that you are capable enough to live the life that you want to live. And you have to have a positive mindset. No more believing that it's impossible for you to achieve this certain thing or that you're not able to have certain things because it's too expensive or whatever low vibrational negative feeling that you said about yourself, which you probably didn't say. The reason why you probably think that way because some idiot told you that you would never amount to anything or that it's impossible for you to achieve or that it's not the right thing for you to do. Ignore anything. Whoever told you that you were incapable enough to do the things that you want to do, erase it from your mind. Tell yourself that you are capable of doing this. You can live the lifestyle that you want. You can achieve that goal. You can live the life that you want to live. You can have that thing. It is for you. You don't have that desire for no reason. The universe put that desire inside of you for a reason because you know you are worthy enough to experience or have it. Don't limit yourself and don't limit your potential. Because whenever you do that, you're limiting your light, you're limiting your authenticity, you're keeping yourself from living the life that you truly want to live. And not only that, people are missing out on the true you. People need to know the true you. Because when you express yourself, you give others the opportunity to express themselves in their unique, authentic way. So do not be afraid to be yourself. 2025 is calling all of us to step up and be ourselves. Be who we truly are. We've been getting this calling to do that for a while now, and more people are stepping into it day by day. A lot of people are still unaware of who they truly are and what gifts they possess. But I truly believe that in the year 2025 will be the year that we see who we truly are and what kind of gifts that we have within ourselves. I'll be like, well, I never knew that I was good at this particular thing, or I had this unique talent or skill, or I was talented in this particular area right here, or that I could do this. I didn't know that I was capable of singing or doing this. A lot of people are going to do the shadow work, heal their traumatic feelings in the year 2025, and they're going to realize who they truly are and they're going to realize the gifts that they possess. So do not be afraid to be who you truly are. Be yourself. And if anybody has a problem with it, that's too bad, because you're not here to live how someone else wants you to live. You're here to be you. If there's a person, place, or thing that isn't treating you right, it's bringing you down, it's making you feel bad about yourself, and it is limiting you from becoming your greatest version, you don't need to have it in your life. That is a sign that you need to cut this person or this thing out of your life whatsoever. And like I said, it's easier said than done to make it happen sometimes due to your financial situation, but trust and believe that in divine timing, you will be relieved from whatever is burdening you. You will be taken out of that situation. That person will be cut out of your life. And even if they cut you off, you should be glad that they walked out on you, because them being in your life wasn't doing you any favors. It was only taken from you and bringing you down and keeping you in a limited headspace, keeping you from being who you truly are. So if a toxic person walks out of your life, don't go crying, don't go chasing after them, just let them go. That's the trash taking itself out of your life. They reject you or ghost you, let them go, because they were never supposed to be in your life from the beginning. They were a lesson. But I promise you, if you do the inner shadow work and you work on yourself and you do the things that you enjoy doing and you love yourself, God, the universe, or whatever you believe in is going to bring your mirror soulmate to you. Or it doesn't even have to be a romantic partner. It can be your soul tribe. It can be a new friend. It can be a new soul family member. We got to be open to those as well. So yes, cut off individuals who are disrespectful, who are rude, people who don't have good manners. Cut them off, because it's only going to bring you down by having them in your life. They don't need to be in your life. Cut off individuals who are always asking for handouts. Matter of fact, it's best that you avoid people who are asking for handouts in general. Avoid that type of energy in general, because it's only going to take from you and bring you down, and you're not going to have anything for yourself or anybody else. So avoid people who are always asking for handouts, always asking to borrow money. It's very, very important that you cut these individuals out of your life, because if you're always giving to them, you will never have enough to give to yourself or anybody else that deserves it. So avoid those individuals and cut them off ASAP. That's the lawnmower next door. But also cut off individuals who are always complaining, who have a problem for every solution, who does not want to do the inner work to become a better person. Someone who tries to project their negative feelings onto you to make you feel down about yourself. These people are narcissists, they are toxic. Cut them off. Also, work on cutting off any bad habits that you have within yourself. And I'm talking to myself as well, because I'm no saint. There are some things about myself that I need to work on, and there are some bad habits that I have that I need to stop doing before the year starts. So I'm not just talking to you, I'm talking to myself too. What's the point of telling other people to and do the right thing if I'm not doing the right thing myself? That will be looked at as a hypocrite. Also, make more time for spending time in nature, do a little bit more meditating. I need to work on that myself. Pray pray more, because the more you pray, that's the more protection and divine guidance you will get from the creator in the universe. Be grateful for what you have. That's another thing, because the more grateful that you are, that's the more things that the universe and God will give you to be even more grateful for. A grateful heart is a happy heart, and you'll just end up attracting more. You just recently started a business and you're not getting any sales or accolades. Be patient. It's just not your season yet. There are still some things that you need to learn. And slow success is better than fast success, because slow success builds character, fast success builds ego. And this is something that I learned recently, because back in the day, whenever I would start stuff, I would always want quick success, just like everybody else. I would want to achieve it overnight, but it doesn't happen that way, because whenever your success comes to you very quick and overnight, it's not stable. It will not last long. But when it takes time for you to receive that breakthrough or for it to come to you, you know that it's going to be sustainable and last for a longer period of time, because you took months, even years, to build this thing. And it doesn't even have to be years. It can be a year, it could be 2 years, depending on the situation and your timing. But yeah. So if you want 2025 to be an amazing year, you have to acquire good habits into your daily routine. You have to cut off what is not serving you. And you have to have a positive mindset and be present in the moment and be patient. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, comment down below and tell me what you thought about it. I enjoyed making this video. I'll catch you guys later. And remember, stay blessed, not stressed, and have a good year. Peace.